So the right fender and the right door are now ready for epoxy. So tomorrow, if I can get it warm enough in here, I will get these two sprayed, and then all that's left is the car, the body. And I've been putting off sanding inside the trunk. Both Angel and Jim, I think, have implied that they might do that, but neither one has done it. So sand in there, sand his jam, and then resand the whole car again and get it cleaned up. Ready for epoxy. Random thing for whoever might put this car together. The left door, these things here, they bolt to the top of the door. They have like some felt on them for the window to slide up against. They screw right there. The left door was missing one. Also, they're, you know how I label bags. It says right door, it says right door latch, left door. There might be multiple like right door bags. Everything's not in one bag. Some of the stuff I've already put upstairs, so whenever I take something off, I just label it and bag it. There could be 15 bags that say right door. Probably not. There's probably just one or two, but like these doors were taken apart. The glass was in them, but not all the tracks and everything was there. Same with the quarters. But I'm trying to avoid taking the doors apart anymore. The regulators are still in there. Really, I would like to take that off, because if I leave that in there, which I did on the other one, it gets epoxied over, then it will get painted over. Then if for some reason it ever has to be taken off, you know, you're gonna chip the paint off up and stuff. But I think I'm just gonna leave it together. And yeah, it is what it is. It's at the bottom of the door. If the paint gets chipped later when someone's working on that, that's fine. It's just, this car's gonna be a project to put together, and I'm trying not to make it worse. If I just totally got these doors, that's just more stuff. Anyway, like I said, random thoughts for whoever needs to know. Also, I'm missing, I don't need it to do this car, but for the headlight bezels, there's these little L brackets that hold the inner screw. I think they go to the core support, or they go right here. There's like a little L bracket. It's missing one. I think it has one on this side. I don't think it has the one for the driver's side. Before I forget about that, so you can write that down in your notes, or not. You'll notice when you put it together that it doesn't have it. I think that's it for now. It's good to be back out here and making a little progress. I pulled a few dents on this door, as you saw real quickly. Trying not to make 15 videos of doing the same thing on different panels, but once I get everything up on epoxy and bolt the car back together, we can start doing filler work, and it'll be something different. So what's your favorite hand cleaning wipe? You know, I got the scrubs and the tub of towels, and for a while, or still I think these were our favorite. I don't remember what we call them. We call them extra juicies because they're like extra juicy. And these ones, they're kind of dry. Tub of towels is okay. So anyway, Jimmy got me some of these. So, you know, we'll try them out and see how they are. This just in, they're fine. They work the same as all the rest. I think out of all these, the tub of towels are probably my least favorite. These three are probably all comparable. Oh, there you go. You're welcome. Alright, while we're waiting for the garage to get above 35 degrees so we can epoxy these, I'm going to see if I made a mistake on my research. Let's see if this Pertronics distributor will work in this Y block. And this is the first year of the Y block, and typical Ford stuff, they were built in two different plants. for the bolts for the boots on this side yet, but I'll do that before it's painted. Just tried to open up the shoebox. It's frozen. There's water on the inside of the windows and it's frozen. I turned the lock with the key, but nothing moved other than the cylinder. So I don't know if I bent something, it's all froze up, or what the deal is, but leaving that outside, not the best idea. It's been inside since, I don't know, but it stinks in here. Been inside for a long time. Now it's, getting rained on constantly and now being frozen, so I'm sure it's going to start deteriorating pretty quickly. I should have found some indoor storage for that.